Hello, good day. I'm Daphne C. Sancha, MJ Villaroel, and CJ Galaras Group. BSIT-1A will be presenting single and multi-dimensional array. This representation will be presented by me. When you say single-dimensional array po, it is a structured collection of components na madalas tawag ay array elements. It can be accessed individually by specifying the position of a component with a single index value. First, tatanungin muna yung user if ilang elements ang gustong i-store in array. And then, the number na ilalagay ng user is the variable n, which is the size of the array. Of course, after getting the size of the array, yung program i-ask na yung user to enter n or yung amount of the elements. Then, system out println used to print the output or /n or line break or new line. And kapag niran mo na, this is the output. And how many elements to store in array? 6. Enter 6 elements, 10, 20, 40, 50, 60, and 100. These are the 6 elements. Output. How many elements to store in array? 6. Enter 6 elements, 10, 20, 40, 50, 60, 100. The array is 10, 20, 40, 50, 60, 100. Dito tayo sa multi-dimensional array. As you can see, for example, this is the first row, 1, 2, 3, 4. Tapos, second row, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Sum of row 1, 10. Sum of row 1, 10. Sum of row 2, 26. Sum of row 3, 42. Tapos, sum of column 1, 15. Sum of column 2, 18. Sum of column 3, 21. Column 4, 24. How to get the sum of each row, or how to iterate over each row and get sum and then print. We will use a for loop starting to 0 because we want to iterate row by row I less than the number of the rows, which is 3. And the I++ or increment, so we get the sum of the elements inside the current row. So declare the variable which is inc sum equals 0, and we use another loop. We use a variable j equals 0 and j less than the number. Of the columns, we have 4 columns and I++. Let's add to the variable sum plus equals integer sub I sub j. So we'll use the I here because the index of the row and j is the index of the column. Pagkatapos ng inner loop, mag-execute after that, we use a println method. Let's say ito. Let's say the sum of row and I plus 1 and I contaminated a column and space and the sum. And this is the output when we run the program. Mm. The sum of row 1 is 10. The sum of row 2 is 26. The sum of row 4, the sum of row 3 is 42. Yan. So what is the difference of single-dimensional array and multi-dimensional array? One-dimensional array is just a list typically indexed by a single number. Contains single row and multiple columns. Is a simple collection of elements, and we access the array with only one index. Sa multidimensional array naman is array could be the same list but it is laid out differently. We access the array with two indexes, one for row and one for column. Yan, row and column. It contains multiple row and multiple columns. Is a collection of one-dimensional array. Okay.